Good afternoon. This is Jason Shepard here from the Anchor Room. We're going to do a installation here real quick on a dash screen. We're actually going to put a protective film over it, and the protective film that we're actually putting on it is a matte film. So we are primarily doing this to reduce glare on that screen during sunny conditions. It's a very simple installation, really straightforward. I'm going to show you real quick how it's done. With the kit, you actually get all the tools that you need to do this A to Z. We have our slip, which is nothing more but a distilled water and alcohol solution with a little bit of baby shampoo. The recipe is on there in case you like to make more, but you will not need more. We also have I hope you can see that since it's a black squeegee on a black screen. We have a felt tip squeegee, comes with it also. And then we have a polishing cloth. And last but not least, we have a alcohol wipe. We're obviously going to start with the alcohol wipe first. We're going to clean the screen with it. Make sure you get all the way in the corners also there. And what I would do is I would go horizontally, then vertically, and maybe horizontally again, just to make sure that you got all the grime off of that screen, if there is any. Make sure you also get your fingertips, because if there's any oil or anything on your fingertips, then obviously you don't want that to translate to the back side of the brand new protective piece we're going to put on there. As you can tell, that's the matte option. We're going to take a spray bottle. We're going to mist that. We're then going to peel material from the backing. We're going to place that on the screen. And what the application fluid does, it gives us an opportunity to place this exactly where we want it before it becomes permanent. As you can tell, we got a couple of bubbles in there, and the whole idea with the squeegee is we can take the squeegee and from the center out, we can just remove all that material. And as we have liquid that pops up, just dab it up with that cloth that's provided. And in no time, you will be good to go. All right, there we go.